Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can turn off notifications from Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, you can do this on mobile devices usually, since Google Maps on PC, or rather on the web version, usually does not have any notifications. However, if there is, and I just don't know about them, you can tweak them in your browser settings just as well. Now, I won't be able to demonstrate this on the PC. Of course, you can just go into browser settings, go to your notification settings or to your permissions and turn them off, and pretty much the same process and same logic applies to mobile devices. You pretty much just have to go to your settings, whether it be on an Android or on an iPhone, really doesn't matter. Just go to your settings, go to your app notification preferences or permissions, and just turn those permissions off, and Google Maps will no longer send you those notifications. Now, to do so on the iPhone and iPad, I'll just be using this help article. Just go to your settings app, go to notifications, Google Maps, and turn on or off allow notifications. And that is pretty much it. Now you can also do this on an iPhone or iPad. For example, when to leave for an event or something, you can turn on a notification by going into your profile picture, then settings, then notifications, and you can turn on or off a notification depending on what you want. Now on Android, what you need to do to turn notifications on or off, you just go to the Google Maps app, go to your picture or initial, go to settings and notifications, then tap a category, and then turn on or turn off, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Of course, you can very easily go into your device settings and just turn off all notifications for Google Maps as well. Works just as fine, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.